Alright, so magandang gabi sa inyo lahat and thank you so much for Matchbox para for this opportunity na makatagdag ngayong gabi. And hello sa mga kasama namin banda na tutugtog ngayon. Kami po ang Out of Nowhere and it's our first time here sa Matchbox. So medyo matagal na tayong naghintay and let's do this. We will be performing one of our originals and this song is called Even If You Run. You say you're fine and then change your mind. Leave my debt on red on. You go I love it. Tell me all for everyone to even if you're distant, I'm right here still. Even if you're dead, I'm so still. Even if you're dead to feel anything, even if you are avoiding, I love you still. You went down like daylight burn. You laugh it off and then twist and turn. You got your back for the hundredth time in every road, and you circle into mine. Even if you're distant, I'm right here still. Even if you're taken, I'm still so still. And even if you're scared to feel anything, and even if you are avoiding, I love you still. I love you still. Run if you have to, hide if you need to. That's what I want to get me through. You don't have to say it now. Even if you're distant, I'm right here. Even if you're shaking, I'll stand so still. Even if you're Yan. Ayun. Akala ko ako lang yung nawawala. Kaya wala mo na talaga yun. And thank you.